Hello and welcome back to our A to Z motorbike tour. You join us on day 3 where we stayed in the Premier Inn, South Milford, which happens to be right next door to a McDonald's. So that's where we headed for breakfast. So today we leave Salisbury heading west towards Templecombe, then Upton Vellow and Wiveliscombe. Now there are no towns beginning with the letter X, so we looked for an alternative and ended up zigzagging the River X. Then we headed to Yeoford and finally Zeal Monachorum. We then travelled back on ourselves to Exeter, which was our final resting place for the day. We hope you enjoy the ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified of any new videos. came down one of the country lanes, we came across these two fellas, who seemed to have lost their way. So, with the help of a passing motorist, we did our good deed for the day and ushered them into a nearby field to live another day. Here's an example of why you should never fully trust your sat-nav. It did seem that we had been directed off the main road, only to rejoin later, and that turned out to be the case. However, the route back down to the main road was a tad steep, to say the least, and covered with a lot of loose gravel. But with both feet down and going about 5 miles an hour, we made it safely to the bottom. Okay, so we cheated on the letter X, but we did crisscross the River X a number of times. And correct me if I'm wrong, but there are no UK towns or villages starting with the letter X. There we go, the last of our A to Z villages, Zeal Monachorum. Well, at least I think that's how you pronounce So there we go, that's the end of our A to Z motorbike tour across the south of England. We hope you've enjoyed the ride and hope you can join us for the next one. Until then, ride safe.